that's why I have trouble putting on my shoes, because when I have to do this, it's like, over here, but it's moved.
Okay.
It's now right there.
Okay. And I want you to cross your leg over. I know it's going to hurt, but you're going to try to keep that upright. Now let's do that one first, because that's not going to hurt as bad. Okay. So you got that, right? But you feel a stretch in the back of the left hip or the buttock area. Put your hands on your lower back and just extend, because that kind of felt better. And I want to know if that decreases the pain against the wall. And then what you're going to do we're going to do one set on each leg. So with that support of the leg, it's okay if this still is a 3. I'm trying to see if we can change it, okay? So your back is supported. It'd be like if you were lying down. You could try it lying down too if you don't mind being on the floor. But I'm holding underneath my thigh.
Okay.
And I'm just going to kick my leg out until I feel a pull, and then I'm going to back off.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
This is awesome.
All right. So it did bring you some value, right? You need the virtual session.
You did. It's 2 thumbs up.
All right. Excellent.
Okay. So you have some pain in your feet right now.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm hurting, and I got some burning in the ball of my feet right here.
Okay.
And then it burns and tingles throughout the toes, especially the larger. Of course, like I said, I think with him doing what he did, it kind of has like stimulated those nerves a little bit more, and they're a little bit more sensitive than.
And it feels worse on the right or the same?
No, they're the same.
My feet are going to be about 2 to 3 feet from the wall, and I'm like doing a plank. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Now what I'm going to do, because your back is stiff, now what I'm going to do is drop my hips in like I'm doing almost like a yoga pose, like an up dog.
Yeah.
And then I'm come back out. Now you let me know if it's too much on the toes, but you're just kind of on the balls of the.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
I probably know the answer because I've asked this question for every doctor I've been to. Is there a way to repair the numbness and tingling since it's so far advanced? I've been told no.
Well, if the numbness and tingling, depending, like you said, it's not true peripheral neuropathy like arterial blood
Diabetics, flow. Right.
So nerves do have the ability to regenerate.
Right, and I've been told that.
Right. So are we dealing with a nerve degeneration, or just a sensitivity that needs to be balanced, like rebalanced, if that makes sense?
Right.
And so I never say no, because I know that the body can heal itself. It's just a matter of, can we give it the best environment to be able to do so? This is the first stretch. My back leg is straight. My heel is down. Okay.
Ricky.
So back leg is straight, heel is down. And I should feel this one in the top part of my.
Now this one I've gotten down. This is what I've been able to do.
The next one, I bring this foot closer.
Okay.
And I bend both knees. So you see this back one's bent, and my heel still stays down. Oh, I do need to ask. I should have done this at the beginning. Did you? Are you consenting to a telehealth session?
Yes.
Okay.